Today we will look at how to download PocketBits. Search for the app on the Google Play Store, PocketBits. Click on the Install button. The app will soon be downloaded and installed on your device. Next, kindly open the app and click on Sign Up to begin with your registration. Enter your email ID and select the strong password. Retype your password. If you have been referred by any of your friends, you may put in their referral code in the box below. Click Create your account. You will receive an OTP on your email for verification. Kindly enter the same in the box below and click Verify. You have now successfully created your PocketBits profile. In order to log in, enter your registered email ID and set password. Verify access with the OTP sent on your email and click Sign In. You will be taken to the PocketBits trading page where you can purchase up to 75 crypto assets, all directly in INR. But before you can begin trading, you will need to complete your KYC process. Click the Get Started button above and let's begin. Kindly grant the app permission to use your camera and microphone for the verification. You will need to enter your phone number and click the Get OTP button to receive your one-time password. Enter the one-time password and click Verify. After your phone verification is complete, you will need to enter your basic details: your first name, your last name, your full residential address, your city, state, and PIN code. After entering all your personal details, you will be asked for your PAN number, along with an upload of your PAN document in the box below. Next, you will be asked for your secondary verification document. Kindly enter your document number and upload a clear front and back photo of your selected document. Click Submit. The final step of the KYC process is recording a KYC video selfie. You will need to allow camera access to the app and ensure you follow the 2 steps mentioned on your screen. You will have to read aloud the 4 digits on the screen, followed by the declaration statement as follows: 3805. I, Deepak Vasant, want to trade Bitcoin and other crypto assets on PocketBits. Kindly allow 59 minutes or less for our team to complete your verification process. You will receive an email once this is completed.